This course is unique in the market and it's developed specifically for those looking to start a soap making business. It includes the widest range of techniques and soap making methods to develop a full range of professional quality soaps to cater to all markets. More importantly, it will also help to guide you through the EU cosmetic regulations, and it includes a detailed business module to help you get your business started. If you want to start your own soap making business, but you don't want to waste 2 years working through all the different methods and design options for your range, this is a perfect course for you. This course will get you making soap consistently throughout the week. That means when you get home, you're going to feel much more confident in making the soaps and really moving yourself on. You'll understand the varying methods and styles and designs so you can get cracking on planning and designing your own brand and product range. We have over 25 years in the industry and we can really help you understand the market and look at the potential marketplaces for your soaps. The course is split into 7 separate days and we really do cover a very broad range of all of the main soap making methods. We start off by teaching you how to make traditional cold process soaps. You'll be using natural ingredients, plant oils, butters, essential oils, and a whole variety of botanicals and exfoliants. You'll learn about health and safety, the equipment, and all of the suppliers that you'll need to get you going. There are several different soaps that you'll be making on the day, but throughout the whole week you really are going to be making a great and broad selection of products. After a full day of soap making, we'll start working on a separate workshop for labelling and compliance, and this will help you understand what the process is and how to move forward in preparing your business for the EU cosmetic regulations. The next day we'll be making delicious natural liquid and cream soaps. This is where you're going to learn all of the fundamentals of making these beautiful natural liquid products, and that's going to include things like your liquid soaps, your shower products, and we'll also include some really luxury products. There's a gorgeous cream soap where we'll show you how to adapt that product into a beautiful silky shaving cream, shower smoothies, and a whole variety of other products. Having liquid soaps as part of your portfolio is an ideal opportunity for you. The next day we're going to be looking at taking all of the basics that you learnt on the cold process day and we're going to be really ramping it up. This day is all about style and design, and we will be packing in a ton of great design options for you. And then we'll finish the day showcasing a different method of soap making that will allow you to whip it and even pipe it into beautiful designs. It's a fun-packed day and it's going to give you more than enough design and style elements to keep your range fresh for years. Another fabulous method that we wanted to showcase in this course is melt and pour glycerin soap making, and it's not necessarily everyone's obvious choice, but once you see how it can be utilised and how it can fit into your range and really start freeing up time and allowing you to have opportunities in marketplaces you hadn't thought about, it's going to become your best friend. We'll start with the basics and then we'll move forward until you're doing some really technical and absolutely stunning designs. The next day in our program is our hybrid soap making, and this is where we start to combine different methods of soap making to create absolutely beautiful soaps. These are the types of soaps that really make you stand out and make you very, very individual from the general market. We'll be showing you how to achieve very technical designs simply. All of the designs on the course have been chosen very specifically to give you high-level design elements and visual aspects whilst keeping it very, very time efficient, and that leaves you plenty of time to concentrate on the business elements of your business. Our final day of soap making is going to be showcasing the hot process soap making method, and we'll be sharing how to achieve really fluid hot process soap that allows you some stunning design work that wouldn't normally be achieved. But the great thing about hot processing is that your soap can literally be on sale within a matter of days. One of the projects that we'll be showcasing on here is a gorgeous shaving soap. It's a whole week program, and we are going to have tons of time to really chat with one another and get to understand what your plans are for your business. And if you haven't really cemented those plans, this is a great opportunity for you to talk to both of the tutors and get some feedback on your ideas. We're here to share with you throughout this whole process, and we can't wait to work with you. Our final day is the business module. This is all about developing your business and really starting to think about how you're going to take it further. You're now going to have a great range of possibilities. You're going to know all of the core methods of soap making, and this is the time that we start to define how and which of those projects you're going to start with and how they can develop your plans into a business. We'll look at how to name your business. We'll be talking about branding and sourcing, eventing and sales opportunities, calculating stock for events, and we close the day with a full Q&A session. So if there's anything that we haven't covered or that you just want to go over, we can go over those before you go home. And of course, we'll be closing the week with that celebration and award ceremony for all of your hard work. Now, as well as all of these amazing products and the information that you're going to be learning throughout the week, there's tons of additional information provided for you too. And some of those are specific to niche markets. So we've included all sorts of bonuses, including making milk and honey soaps, how to scale up your production as your business starts to grow and develop. There's an entire range of palm-free soaps. We've got 30 luxury soap formulations that we're sharing with you. And there's also a wealth of additional material that we've included for you that you can review after the course online. This really is a very comprehensive program. You are going to learn a wealth of different styles, different designs, pretty much everything that you're going to need from that front. Now, it's rare that anybody is going to be making all of these up straight away. You'll pick and choose the elements from this course that are going to be right for taking your business forward. And you're also going to have all of that additional information and knowledge that you'll be able to use and add to your business as you grow. You can read the testimonials and watch the testimonial videos from the students who've been on this course. And if you have any questions at all, pick the phone up or email us. We would love to hear from you. I hope we get to meet you and work with you on this program. It's a program that we're very, very proud of, and I hope we see you soon. Bye-bye for now.